Change management is one of the leading causes, if not the leading cause, for technology failure.
While I agree that change management is hugely important in helping the success of your project, your software technology project be successful, the number one thing that I see over and over again is that organizations aren't properly resourcing their projects. And I say to any of the organizations for which Manhattan is consulting, listen, you need to make sure that you have a appropriately resourced project team. If a vendor is coming in with 20 resources, you might need 10, 15, or even 20. Here's a few examples of what that might look like. When a vendor is implementing a brand new ERP or a new HR payroll system, a new work order management system, all the integrations into legacy applications have to be rebuilt. Who's going to do that? The vendor will push out new information, but you as an organization need to prepare and build the inputs, the interface inbound. You have to do that. When business processes change because maybe some of the data structures have changed, who has to do that? You as a customer, you need to do that. When your business process is changing because some of the steps have been modified as a result of the technology, you now need business analysts to remap all your processes. And if you want to do it really well, you're going to wind up having to create new training materials. So you're going to need some training consultants to do that for you, creating new operating procedures or step-by-step process guides so that that is available come testing, and the users are learning as they're going through testing. I've touched on another point. The vendor will often do their build-in unit test. They'll do solution tests. They may even go, partnering up with you to do your system integration. But guess what? You have to do your own user acceptance testing. Only you really know how you, as an organization, intend to use a system. So you need to make sure that you have quality assurance analysts or test managers, etc., doing that. And God forbid you find yourself in one of those projects where a lot of data is at play. You're going to have to make sure that you have a data migration team that's going to feed that data, suck it out of legacy systems, put it into your new system, and then cycle it and push it into wherever else it's meant to go. So these are examples that I've seen over and over again that lead to projects failing. Everyone must get on the same page. If you're buying just imagine, actually, let's say it like this. You buy the car and it's a sports car and you've only ever driven a Toyota Corolla. If you don't take your sport car driving lessons, you may crash the car. It's probably an undercooked analogy, but for today, that's the one I'm going to run with. Make sure that if you're in a position where you're consulting the implementation of a new software, that you tell those executives, we need to have our own project team. The vendor does not do it all. Good luck.